am I at?
1030 Baldwin Lane.
1030 Baldwin Lane, Darren Tillman.
Yep.
All right, ready to go.
We'll go.
All right, repair attempt, Darren Tillman, 1030 Baldwin Lane. Here's the shingle is marked. We've already done our photographs before. We're now going to attempt to delaminate the shingles above and test shingle and start the repair. Some wind damage shingles that was already loosened. I'm going in on a tooth, the strongest point. Check for matting transfer. So, okay, looking good there. Now I'm gonna start removing nails. So nails for this shingle are gonna be right here, then here, 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 and here. Should be all nails, one nail. There she was out. You can hear the granules kind of raining off here every time I nail in. Pretty strong crease forming in the shingles above. So this shingle was easier to work because the nails are out of this shingle, but to do a repair I can't loosen every row of nails. So this shingle is actually held down a lot tighter than this shingle. Several of these nails were removed when doing this one, so this one is completely fastened down. There's been a crease starting to form here across the middle. See if I just slightly move my hand, the granules are all falling off where it's been bent. Notice it's much harder for me to get under here, keep the shingle up, due to it still being nailed. The crease form right here in the bow in that shingle. So, crease formed here, crease formed here. 2 rows up, when nails have to come out, this shingle's still held down. This shingle's now unsealed in several places and pretty heavily creased. Right there, you can see the bend in that.
Yep. This one's starting to do it.
That's it.